How to fix two-factor authentication, Facebook code not received. So if you want to fix the Facebook code not received on two-factor authentication, then what you need to do is the first thing you need to check is if you have enabled the notifications of Facebook or not. Because if you have not enabled the notification, then you will not be able to receive the notification or the code. So simply tap on Settings. Under Settings, scroll down, tap on Apps, and then tap on Facebook, or you can go for see all apps and then you can tap on Facebook, but I'll be simply tapping on Facebook from here. And once you tap on Facebook, now you just need to simply go for storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Once you clear your cache, now you need to go back and you need to go for the notifications option, which is on the first. Once you tap on notifications, now here I have turned on all of the notifications, right? But if you have not turned on the notifications, then you'll not be able to receive the code. So make sure that you have turned on, and the next thing you need to do is you need to go for permissions. Under permissions, if you have not allowed the messages option, like phone and messages option, like you need to simply go with phone and you need to allow the phone, and you need to go with SMS permission and you need to allow the SMS permission for your Facebook. And once you've done that, you need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button and you will get restart option. Once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Facebook code not received on two-factor authentication. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.